Hi, I'm Vlad, co-founder of Kronos Digital. Today is day 3 of week 1. Well, um, today I want to structure this video slightly different. I have a number of things that I want to talk about. We will not talk about all of them, but these are some of the things that will provide value, hopefully for somebody that's starting a business right now. This is what we're doing. Well, let's start with number 1. What is my routine like? Routine is super important for building business. Why? Because if you are not mentally stable, you will not build a stable business. So what I do is I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Well, sometimes I wake up at 7:15, at 7:30, maybe it's 6:30. It depends on what time I go to sleep. And what time I go to sleep depends on what I do in the evening. So I wake up, within the first 5 minutes, I go out. And I go out to work out. So right now it's 8:43. I've already worked out, I've already edited the video, and I'm recording this video. Okay, so I work out, I come back, I have breakfast, and after breakfast, I work. That's what I do. Today is Sunday, I work every day. So another thing that we actually, let's talk about some of the issues and the challenges that we have. We have an issue with the online payment processor, and what this is it's just a payment processor that processes that takes payment online. Okay, so we have an issue with that. Why? Because we're based in Serbia, and there are not that many online processors that want to work with the Serbian companies. We tried, Stripe doesn't work here, we know that for sure. We tried Molly, which works in Europe, and then we tried WS Pay, I think it's called. So with WS Pay, we're in the process, or we also tried another payment processor, so it didn't work there. They said what we provide to people is on the prohibited list of theirs, which is weird. How can ERP be on prohibited list? But yeah. So next thing, what's my plan for today? What we've done today I edited a video, recording this video, I'll read a book, and I want to say something that I did yesterday. I finished our Google My Business offer, and I would like to share with you something from that. So the offer itself, you can watch yesterday's video. I'll go into details of what we do there, but today I want to talk about naming. Naming is extremely important. I come up with names using Alex Hormozzi's $100 million offers, and here are a couple of names that I came up with in how to name our offer. Eventually, so I started with Belgrade brick and mortar 1 week outrun competition blueprint. That was, or Belgrade brick and mortar 7-day outrun competition blueprint. That's what I started with, and it's pretty good. But the shorter the name, the punchier it sounds. And what I have here in the end, and this is what I think we will use, but there still has to be some work done. So local businesses double your profit cheat code, or double your profit program, or local businesses 7-day destroy competition cheat code, or local businesses 7-day destroy competition program, or 1 week destroy competition program. Let me go into details of why this is named this way. So there are 5 different things that you need to pay attention to when you name your offer. Number one is why you do the promotion. I didn't put that because we don't have anything special about our promotion right now. It's not like just because I will put summer promotion doesn't mean it will get more clicks, and you don't necessarily have to use all these 5 steps in order to name your offer, you just have to use like 3. And once again, the shorter, the better. So you have to use why, then you need to use name, like create an avatar, and then to tell what kind of avatar you're looking for, to attract that avatar, so when people see their avatar, they're like, well, this is exactly for me. Tell a goal of your avatars. What are they trying to do? Are they trying to like earn more money? So in this case, double your profit, or double your clients, or outrun competition. And with Google My Business, you can do all those things. So that's why we experiment with that. Then also provide a time interval. In our case, this is 7 days or 1 week. The days will change, and we can easily edit it here. But just for practice, I put 7 days. And then the last thing is a container word. And container word means that it's not just one thing, but it's like a whole system. And in this case, well, Alex Hormozi provides a lot of different container words, but I decided to go with blueprint, challenge, program, shortcut, system, workshop, game plan, solution, and cheat code. How many was that? 9. So, and then I just combine whatever sounds the best out of. So we have name / avatar. We have a goal, time interval, and container word. And then just combine those 4 and see what it sounds like, see what it looks like, and see which one is better, and then just choose which one is better. That's what I did yesterday. I spent probably like 2.5 hours or 2 hours doing that. It's really important. Okay, let's go further. Another thing that I do in order to create videos is I just edited them, and I'll show you. So I have it here, have an edited video. Once again, this is Sunday, 8:30 a.m. Now I send it to myself on some social platform, and then I watch it and I see if it's good. If it's not good, I'll edit there, here. But if it's good, I'll just. But it's never good. So I watch it the way I would watch it from my phone. I usually watch it on my phone, but because I'm recording on my phone, this on my iPad. So let's watch it. This is, by the way, a video that's not posted yet, so you'll be the first ones to see it. But this is not a fully edited version. Right, let me...
MrBeast, A-Rock, Mark Rober, and other YouTubers manage hundreds of thousands of sales. How is it possible? YouTubers are not only content creators, but also savvy entrepreneurs. They manage a massive number of sales with ease. They use an enterprise resource planning system like the one you see here. With ERP, they efficiently track inventory levels, process orders, and manage shipments in real time. They analyze customer data to offer personalized products, keeping their fans happy and returning for more. ERP fosters seamless collaboration within their teams, ensuring everyone's on the same page. So next time you admire your favorite YouTubers, remember that behind the scenes, their success is powered by a powerful ERP system.
In short, that's how we do it. I'm not sure if we need to edit anything there, as I didn't watch the video, I watched the camera, but now I'll check it out, and then if everything's good, I'll just post it. If not, I'll continue editing. The way I edit is I do it in Premiere Pro. We haven't had a lot of like breakthroughs so far because I was editing video and doing this thing, doing Google My Business offer. So we will not talk about like the exact systems of the actual building business and finding clients, but we're going to talk about some very important things today as well. Another thing that I want to say is how we organize our workflow. The way my partner does it is similar to mine, and I'm not sure about his exact system, but because I know what application he uses, I know that we do a similar thing. So first of all, we communicate via email, phone, and messengers. Those 3 things. The way we plan our days is we do it with Google Calendar, and I will show you what it looks like. Google Calendar is an amazing thing for me. It's like something that I do every day. So I don't like to leave a lot of things for that are left to. Let me rephrase that. If I need to do something, I do it. Then I delete it. I don't like to keep a lot of things because for me it feels like this is something unfinished. So when I finish a task, I just delete it and continue. So you can see I don't have a lot of things here because I delete a lot of things. That's one thing. Another thing that I do is I start using tasks, Google Tasks, like maybe like 2 weeks ago. It's extremely powerful and productive for me because I can just put tasks on different topics. So I have like my tasks, I have video ideas, I have books to read, and right now, yeah, I also have for this blog or vlog, whatever you can call it, right? And so we communicate with my partner via these platforms. Then we organize everything in Google, organize meetings in Google, and that's it. It's super simple. Okay. Overall, how many meetings did we have? Another great thing. Meetings / calls. We had probably like 5 or 6, maybe a couple of more meetings with potential clients, and out of those, 2 clients were our clients. I don't have the exact data, but we had a lot of meetings. I went to a networking event this week on Tuesday. I met a lot of people there. I met one potential client there, and I spoke to him about how our solution can help his online course and the book that he's doing. Everything was great. He seemed interested. He had a couple of objections, but that was okay. Yeah, but then he stopped responding to me. I mean, actually, he never responded to me. So a lot of meetings, and yeah, just trying to find clients. So let's continue with Google My Business. With Google My Business, we will do Google My Business for the business of for Vitaly's business. And Vitaly is my partner, right? We will do Google My Business for him, and his business is a co-working space. We will do it for his business, then for other businesses that rent space within his co-working space. We will also do Google My Business. Why? Because we want to provide extreme value. We will ask nothing but reviews. We are certain that this is going to help. Like, I am 100% sure because I know Google My Business throughout. So we will provide just free value to people. In exchange, we will just ask for reviews. That's it. And then those reviews, we will put reviews and data of like how much they improved, how many new clients they get, and after that, those reviews we will put into our website to increase credibility and whatever the other word is, I don't remember. I think another very important question is, how do I learn what to do next? Because at some point you might achieve whatever you were trying to achieve, but then how do you understand, how do you move forward and progress and do better and like find other opportunities? Well, the way I do it is I first read books. I read books almost every day. Another thing is I follow people on social media that are really good in what they do, and usually that's business, and those people can give really good ideas. Again, Alex Hormozy, Russell Brunson, Leila Hormozy, some other people I cannot say off the top of my head, but some just people from the business space. Even like Jordan Peterson once said something about business that was so profound that I thought about it for a while. Everything I have on my social media accounts is just business related. I don't even follow most of the people because that's irrelevant right now. It's just I know that I know which people are good, and then, for example, I go through shorts. I might go for like 15 minutes to watching shorts, and when somebody comes up, I'll just watch his video. So it's random. It's not always about business, but most of the time it is. Those people tell ideas, and then when you read books, you get ideas. When I speak to my partner, we get ideas. So communicating with other people is also ideas. It's really important. I believe it's really important to just always have something new and get inspired by something. Once you have that, you will get new ideas. With inspiration, you will get new ideas, and you can use those ideas to just move forward. You have to constantly think about that and be so obsessed about that everything you think about is this. And sometimes that doesn't do well for me. I will get so obsessed and think about something for so long that, as my father always said, not always, but he said it sometimes, like it's an effect of like a blurry eye when you see but you do not see clear, and then you do not see the clear path, you don't have a clear vision towards where you want to go. Yeah, that happens when you're too obsessed, and that happens to me sometimes. And then I have to do sports or I have to do something else in order to just get distracted and just go into other universe. And after being some time in other universe, I can come back to this universe, and this universe, I feel like I recovered. I was reborn. Yeah. So new ideas, always super important. Another thing to come up with ideas, and that's what I did when I had to come up with video ideas, is I would just sit and I would just think. I would just take a piece of paper, and in 30 minutes I would have 30 video ideas. People would say, how do you do it? You just sit and you think. And by think, I mean you just look at what's around you. You take, I don't know, like a tree. Because I can see a tree right now. You take a tree, you think, what can you do with a tree? And then you move on to something else. And then then you move on to like a window. Then you move on to anything and everything that's around you. And you just think about everything that's around you and see if this can help you in some way. If it doesn't, skip. But at the same time, you have to put as many ideas as possible. You might put like 100 ideas in 10 minutes. And then you can look through those ideas, and those ideas can generate more ideas because you will look at them at a different angle. Я же видео записываю, Юль. Я это не обрабатываю, это так пойдет.
Извини. А ты пойдешь кофе?
Да, сейчас. Okay. Yeah, ideas are super important. So come up with ideas, and then you can search on the internet to find ideas. One of the very important skills that my mentor taught me is being resourceful. By being resourceful, I mean you will find a way. You will find information on how to do something. You can do it for other people, and that is called brokering, or you can do it for yourself, and you can find any information you need. And the problem with that is sometimes it takes time, but once again, it's really important. So some things we discussed today, I hope that will bring value, and tomorrow we'll do something even better. See you tomorrow.